Last time we showed you how Dell SUG leads in its FPG number 1, number 2, and number 15 through amazing programs and green spaces. But even the English University of the Philippines gets beautiful greener.
In this follow-up, we address a transformation challenge on campus and propose a solution aligned with SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities.
Students often struggle with transportation inside the campus. Ikot Lasal helps, but it's not always enough.
At peak times, even in hot days, students walk from parking to class.
Parking near JFH, PAA fills up fast, forcing students to park far, arriving late or even tired. That's why we propose an e-mobike service. It's a campus-wide shared bicycle system for students.
Scan a QR code to reserve a bike and then present your school ID borrowed from hubs near CDA, JFH, and East-West campuses.
These hubs will have a secure rack, shade, and support tracking system. Will bike straight to your building. No more long walks or stress by parking. It reduces traffic, promotes fitness, and cuts emissions while saving time and energy. We'll start with 10-15 bikes managed by students, volunteers, the campus sustainability office. Students reserve our bike by scanning a QR code and entering their name and student ID.
When on use days, they need to show the confirmation and write down the bike number in a log while giving their ID to the staff, and when returning the bike, their ID will be back after the bike is being checked.
This simple system tracks usage and promotes responsibility. Students can also give their feedback to improve the system before lunch. It's affordable, easy to run, and student-led.
Let's build a DL SUV that moves smarter and greener, one pedal at a time.
The e-mobike service isn't just a transportation. It's a step towards a more efficient, more connected, and more sustainable university. Be the change, be the movement, be Lasallian.